northern mountains. Now we will discuss northeastern states. Okay, what are the northeastern states? Let's discuss. Towards the east, the Himalayan ranges run across the 7 states. What are those? Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram. These are the northeastern states. The northern mountains consist of northeastern states are Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram. They are called the 7 sisters. They are called the 7 sisters. Okay. Now we will discuss one by one. First we will discuss Arunachal Pradesh. Now we will discuss Arunachal Pradesh. This is northeastern state. The capital city of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. The capital city of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Most of the Arunachal Pradesh is covered by mountains. The Brahmaputra river enter India through this state only. The Brahmaputra river. The Brahmaputra river flows through this state only, and Tawang, Bondila, Zairo and Namdapha. Tawang, Bondila, Zairo and Namdapha are the national park. These are the national parks, children. Tawang, Bondila, Zairo and Namdapha are the national park, attract a lot of tourists each year, and it includes famous dance forms also, Lamu and Pope. Famous dance forms. Lamu and Pope. Lamu and Popi are the famous dance forms of Arunachal Pradesh. Rice, wheat, maize and mustard are the main crops grown here. Rice, wheat, mustard, maize. These are the main crops. These are the main crops are grown in Arunachal Pradesh. Next, we will discuss Sikkim state. Now we will discuss Sikkim state. Sikkim state is second smallest state. Second this is second smallest state, and Kanchanajunga. See here, Kanchanajunga in Sikkim is the 3rd highest mountain peak. 3rd highest mountain peak. Kanchanajunga is the 3rd highest mountain peak in Sikkim state. The state is famous for its orchids also, and most of the people here are belonging to the Lepcha, Bhutia or Nepali tribe. Some tribes are Lepcha, Bhutia, or Nepali tribe. These are the tribes are situated in Sikkim state. The women of the state traditionally wear long skirts, traditional dresses. Women wear long skirts. Women wear long skirts called bakur. Long skirts called baku, and colorful jewelry made from beads. Tosmgo and Yamthong Valley and Yuskom, Nathula and Ramtek Monastery are some of the interesting places. And the people of Sikkim love music and dance. They play music on long bamboo horns. They play music on long bamboo. They love music and they play music on long bamboo horns. Here, main occupation is agriculture. Here, the main occupation or most of the people are engaged in agriculture. Weaving is the main cottage industry of Sikkim. Next, we will discuss Assam state. Assam state, the capital city of Assam is Dispur. Assam is one of the most important states of northeastern India. It has vibrant culture. Dispur is the capital of Assam. It receives heavy rainfall. Here, most of the people are engaged in agriculture. Means agriculture is the main occupation of the Assam state. Assam tea is famous worldwide, and it is also, Assam is also called as land of tea gardens. Digboi and Naharkatia. Digboi and Naharkatia are the oil fields are located in this state. I'll repeat it once. One interesting and special thing about Assam is Assam tea is famous worldwide, as well as Assam is called as land of tea gardens. Tripura. It is surrounded on three sides by Bangladesh. Its capital is Agartala. Tripura is surrounded on three sides by Bangladesh. Its capital is Agartala. The people of the state make beautiful things from cane and bamboo here. Farming is the main occupation. Farming is the main occupation of the Sikkim. Farming is the main occupation of Tripura state. Beautiful things from the cane and bamboo, as well as jute, sugar cane, oil seeds and fruits are such as guavas and pineapples grown here. The major crops major crops jute, sugarcane, oilseeds, fruits, gavas, pineapples are grown in Tripura. It is famous for handicrafts made from cane and bamboo. Tripura is home to over 150 different species of birds. Different kinds of species of birds. Tripura is home to over 150 different species of birds. Ujjantya Palace, Neer Mahal Palace and Kamaleshwari Temple popular tourist places in Tripura. Ujjantya Neer Mahal, Kamaleshwari Temple, these are the popular tourist places in Tripura. Houses in mountains have sloping roofs so that rain and snow can slide off easily from the roofs. Next state is Mizoram. Mizoram is situated in the south of the region. Its capital is Aizawl. Its capital is Aizawl. The main language of the state is Mizoram, means the land of the highlanders. The land of the highlanders. Mizoram means the land of highlanders. Dampa Wildlife Sanctuary and Pahwangpui, also known as the Blue Mountain and Mizoram State Museums are some places of interest in Mizoram. The next state is Meghalaya. The capital of Meghalaya is the beautiful hill station of Shillong. Meghalaya state, the capital city of Meghalaya is Shillong. The Shillong is beautiful hill station. The state gets the heaviest rainfall in the country. And the word Meghalaya means the abode of clouds. Meghalaya means abode of clouds. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya, as well as it is known as the Scotland of the East. Scotland of the East. Shillong is known as Scotland of the East. Meghalaya means abode of clouds. Umaim Lake, Nohakalikai Falls and Elephant Falls are famous famous tourist places are situated in Meghalaya. Khasi, Jayantiya and Garo are the main languages spoken here. Main occupation is agriculture. Here, agriculture is the main occupation of Meghalaya people. Potato, rice, maize, pineapple and banana are grown here. Potato, rice, maize, fruits such as pineapple, banana are grown here. Meghalaya means the abode of clouds. The capital city of Meghalaya is Shillong. Shillong is the beautiful hill station, as well as Shillong is also known as the Scotland of the East. Nagaland state. It is the home of the Nagas. Its capital is Kohima. Kohima is the capital city of Nagaland. The Nagas wear colorful shawls. Nagaland is famous for hills which are covered with a thick forest. Kohima War Cemetery, Naga Heritage Village and Zuko Valley are some places of interest in Nagaland. The people of Nagaland wear colorful cloths decorated with shells, beads, horns, bones and ivory. Farming and fishing are the main occupation of the people of this state. Farming and fishing. Farming and fishing are the main occupation of the people of this state. Manipur state. The capital of Manipur is Imphal. Imphal is the capital city of Manipur. The hills of Manipur are densely covered with the forests of bamboo and teak. More than 500 species of orchids are found here. Kangla Fort, Sri Govindaji Temple are famous tourist places in Manipur. Kangla Fort and Sri Govindaji Temple. Sri Govindaji temples. These are the interesting places in Manipur. Maithili is one of the language spoken by the people of Manipur. Spoken language is Maithili. Is the spoken language of Manipur. The people of the state grow rice, wheat, maize, cotton, sugarcane, fruits drawn here.